In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to put your cake safely into a cake box. You don't want to get this step wrong, otherwise your hard work in decorating your cake can be ruined. First of all, make sure you use cake boxes that come in flat pack, and then you can assemble it properly. Don't be tempted to put your cake into the box like this once it's prepared. No, 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 no. You run the risk of your cake being damaged or the edges and decoration being smushed. What you want to do is open up the flat pack like this, and then you lift the cake and place it into the middle of the box. You have a lot more control. You can place the cake exactly where you want it to be. Make sure it's nicely in the center of the box. And once you're happy it's nice and secured, then you can fold up your box. See, this way you have a lot more control of your cake. And this is the right way to put a cake safely into your cake box. It seems such an easy step, but can you imagine after all that hard work of you creating your cake, and at the last minute, just when you're putting it into your cake box, your cake is damaged. You'll be so cross with yourself. And this is even more important when you are boxing up really tall cakes or big cakes, because they can be very heavy. And I've seen before people trying to put the cake into the boxes that have been already built and crash damage. So you don't want to happen to you, and it's very simple, easy way. And once you've done, you can just cover it with the lid. And here is my cake all boxed up and ready to be delivered to the birthday girl. Beautiful cake. And stick around, subscribe. I will be posting the full video on how I created these buttercream flowers, so you don't want to miss it. So please subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.